A very warm welcome to all of you. I am Aditi Tyagi, a member of the team Trichromats. An old saying goes coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Today, we team Trichromats are proud to present to you a segment of our efforts. You will never find time for anything. If you want time, you must make it. With this perspective in mind, we, Team Trichromats, rigged our brains out to search for an idea which will help people manage their time. We developed an idea for an app called Lifty, which offers the facilities of smart parking and hoisting. All of us must have had an experience where we were waiting for an elevator and each passing second seems like an hour. Well, to solve all your problems, Lifty comes to your aid through its smart hoisting feature. Searching for a parking spot is very time consuming and frustrating task. The solution of this problem is smart parking system which is provided to you by our app Lifty. Leo Tolstoy in War and Peace has put it aptly. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Handing over to Abhinav to give you all a detailed insight on how actually Lifty works.
Thank you, Aditi, for giving a brief introduction about our application. As our app name describes, this app will lift you above your limit. Our application is having binary features which will definitely help the social community towards putting their life one step ahead. First one is smart hoisting and other is smart parking. I would like to demonstrate about a smart hoisting. Sometimes waiting for lift feels like the line इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की is written to demonstrate this only but not anymore. Lift is based on smart lift management system which will help you to manage your time effectively. Smart hoisting means making the use of your elevators smartly and efficiently to save your time. In ideal situation, we want that we press the button of lift and the lift appears or comes, but in real life, sometimes lift is stopped at any other floor and we are like in the waiting situation. Our application Lifty comes with a special feature of remote lift calling, where the user can call the elevator from any floor. It works in the same manner as remote controlled elevators do. It sends signal to the host which in turn follows the command. The user needs to connect to the Wi-Fi Max fixed at the ground to give commands through the handset. This will work same as like your Wi-Fi connection at your home. Up to 10 devices could connect and order at the same instance. The range is kept to be at most 200 meter. Along the radius of 200 meters, you can connect to this application by using your mobile phone. A waiting period of 45 seconds would be allowed so that after 45 seconds, if you are unable to reach to the lift, then the doors of the lift will be automatically closed. Now I would like to draw your attention by showing some of the advantages of smart lift calling system. First of all, it saves a lot of time and it is user friendly. Smart elevators can store the data of a particular person's traveling habits and repeat them. It is the solution of the need for more efficient, fast and convenient hoisting. You can call your lift while parking your vehicle, that will save your time. In COVID times, we don't have to press the keys and we can operate it from our device. In this slide, I have showed the interface of our application. In the image, we can connect the smart lift calling system by our devices by scanning QR code, and it will be connect to the smart host system by Wi-Fi. It is a multi-user interface that showed by this image that many users can connect at the same time. Now, I, Abhinav, would like to conclude by reciting the quotation of Alexander that if you must work hard to find a smart solution. Handing over to Dib for giving a brief insight of a smart parking system.
Parking areas are one of the most busy spots one can see in his lifetime. It is due to pure mismanagement at these areas. Randomly parked vehicles waste time and space, leading to crowd. One ideally does not think much about parking while going somewhere to enjoy, but this little wastage of time puts a damper over that happiness. Smart parking works on a system that can include in-ground smart parking sensors, cameras, or counting sensors. These devices are pre-installed and positioned into parking spots. They help to detect whether parking bays are free or occupied. This happens through real-time data collection. The data is sent to our app, which will communicate the availability to our users. It has a broad view of benefits in day-to-day life, like it gives less pollution, the space of municipality will be utilized more efficiently. Safety is a factor. Real-time parking analytics for cities is also available. The future is here with newer technologies. We are more than overjoyed to welcome them. And finally, as Paul Meyer said, the future is built on the flow of new ideas. We, Trichromats, really hope you will accept our idea with a broader mindset. With these thoughts, I will take your leave. Thank you so much.